In today's lecture, we will learn how to create schematic component reports. The report of that components that we have used so far in our drawings or in our project. So you may have seen such type of reports in different forms of drawings. This is actually very important in our drawings because it gives an overall overview about all the detail of that components that we have used so far in our project or even in our drawing. If you want to generate your own report manually, add these details about like the item number, tags, quantity, manufacturing catalog, then you have to go to edit properties of each of the component and insert these values, all the details like description, tag numbers, item number. Then you will have to manually add these terms and adjust them in a table. Then it will take much of your time. It will waste your time. AutoCAD Electrical have solved this problem. It is very easy and very powerful tool of AutoCAD Electrical to generate automatically such type of reports. In this table, you can see that there are different item numbers with tag numbers, and with the same item number, these are different tag numbers. Component's tag numbers must be unique, but its item number can be same. Like for that component, its the item number will be same, having the same manufacturing catalog data. If we have selected a same component for multiple times, then we can add or we can give it a same item number, but its tag numbers must be unique for every component, whether it's belong to a same family or to a different family. In the previous lecture, we have created these type of reports and these type of circuits, tables, and I have entered 3 terminals, and the terminal which I have selected was the terminal having different wire numbers at its terminals at both ends of its terminal. So you can see the numbers at both ends of this terminal are different for everyone, for these 3 ones. And between every 2 components, there is a different wire number. Between the 2 components, there is a different wire number. So actually, as you can see, it is the same line, but because of the different component placement between these drawings, its wire number must be changed. To move to cross-referencing, we have learned about this thing. The cross-referencing format between the same drawing means we have learned about how to adjust the format of same drawing components, but we haven't learned much about the different drawings. So we can also change the format of cross-referencing, component cross-referencing between the different drawings. So you can even add the square brackets, and even you can give prefix value and even add suffix value. So it depends upon you that what format you want to use in your drawings, in your cross-referencing and between the same drawing and the different drawing. So just like this table, we will learn how to create the report of all the components, as this table is only related to this component. To form a report that belong to all the components of the drawing that we have used in this drawing. So first of all, we have to move to this report section of a ribbon and click here. You will see there are different terms that we have to learn today. There is a schematic, panel, while panel and miscellaneous. We have created the components in schematic. We will learn how to create schematic reports. First of all, just click on the reports and you can see these are the electrical audit, drawing audit, signal error list, and these are all the list about. And the first thing which is important is go to reports, and in the report name, schematic reports. Actually, this is a schematic. These are schematic reports. So in the report name, you can see the different selection. In the report name selection area, you can see these are the different options like bill of material, missing bill of material. I mean the component that are missed and that are missed in our bill of material. So first of all, what is important to learn is if I want to click here, you will see a different format, a different dialog box of a report type. And if click on the missing bill of material, you will see the different options for every another selection. You will see a different format of different options. So first of all, move to bill of material. The first one is either you want to create your bill of material overall project, or you want to the bill of material in your active drawing. And in the category, there are different options, like you want category of schematic, one-line diagrams, one-line bus tape, hydraulic components, pneumatic components, or PID components. So we want to go to schematic components, and in the checkboxes, see what are in the checkboxes. Include cables, As we haven't included cable, so I want to skip that one. We haven't any cable used in our drawing, so I want to skip that one. Include connectors, no connector in my drawing, just uncheck that box. Include jumpers, no jumper in my drawing. List terminal numbers, yes, I have terminal numbers here in my list. Now in the display there are 4 options to select what format of table you want in your drawing. So the first one is normal tallied format, while the second one is normal tallied format, group by installation and location codes. Display in tallied purchase, we will learn about these in detail. Installation codes to extract. Yeah, you want to extract the installation codes, location codes. Yes, we want these codes. So move forward and let's check. Okay, click on OK and see how to move to another options. Okay, and here are the components that are used in your drawing. This is actually not a complete list, but this is bill of material components. 8 records. For all locations we have 8 records in our bill of material. Just go through these options. The first one you can see the CV1, quantity is 1. Sub menu, I don't have any catalog, data, manufacturing, description. So these are the different tag numbers like CV1, CR2. You can see the different formats. Now what I want to use is squeeze, whether you want to squeeze your detail or the format of the drawing or not. Like in the 1 it will be like in this way, for 2 it will expand a little bit, and for 3 it will expand whole. So in your report, whether you want these headers, what is the first one, time and date you want to add, that it will be added in your report. Whether you want the title line, so that is my title line which I want to include in my drawing report. Project line, that's all about the project. And column lines like takes, quantity, subtracts, subsections. So this is actually all the details about these breaks. Add page breaks. Maybe you have multiple components and you want to add page breaks between 2 pages, and you have to add that breaks, special breaks. Change report format. If you want to change your report format, you have to, if you want to add multiple options in your report, then you can add from these lists. These are actually all the details that we can add or use in our reports, in our bill of material. If you want the item number, just click once and it will be added here. If you want a C code, description, and another one, miscellaneous 1, miscellaneous 2, description 1, location code, installation code, whatever you want to in your report, then you can add from here. Let's remove few of the terms from the list. Location and installation codes are same for all the components, so remove them and save the report. In which format you want to save it, then you can go. If you want to put in on your drawing, then select that option. And edit mode, if you want to edit your report, then you can edit your report. So these are the different editing formats. I want to squeeze it in that location so that my report will be in collapsed. Either save to file. I have different options, like I want to put on drawing, I can put that report in my drawing, or either I want to save to file or print. Let's suppose first try the first one, save to drawing. Whenever you want to create your report for the first time, then this option will be here. You have to select that option, insert new, and the table style, ACE, inch. These are the different table formats and different styles you can select from these. We will just move with the first option, and you can check the other option and see what is the differences between the different table styles. And include my date and time, include project information, include title line. Yes, I want to include. You can even change the layer of your table format. First, new section placement, and before that, column width. Calculate automatically and define width. You can define width according to your tag numbers, what value you want. You can update that values. I want to calculate it automatically. AutoCAD Electrical will automatically update my column width. Now, at which section I want to add that report, I have to pick that, like I want to place it here. Then what I will do, I will just move my mouse here and click on that option. You can see it's inserted my X dimension and Y dimension. Row definitions, yeah, you can just go through these options and click OK. Put on drawing, yes. For the second time, if you want to put in your drawing, then it will, the first option, as you can see, my report is inserted in my drawing, but I'm inserting it for the second time. Then I can select either that one, insert new non-updatable, or either I have to select the update existing. If you want to update that list, then you can move with that option. Now I want to click cancel and close. Now move to my drawing report and see whether which component are included in my list. Tags, you can see I have a report of tags, item numbers, and the description 1, quantity, sub values, catalog data, manufacturing description. And you can see these are the different tag names of CR1, CR2, CB1, CR2, CR1, LT3, M1, PB6. Let's see which component is not included in my list. So move to CB1. Circuit breaker 1 is here, CB1. That's my CB1. First one is CB1, CR2. Move to CR2 is that one. And next is CR1. CR1 is my first relay. And LT3, LT2. LT3 and LT2 are right here. LT2, LT3. And another option is motor 1 and M1. M1 is that one and motor 1 is that one. So these two components are included in my list, and another option is PB6. You can see this component is not included in my list. And another overload component, overload is not included in my list, and description. So these three are missing in my report. So why these components are missing in my report? All the other are, you can see these are all the contacts, these are the contact of these coils. So these will not be included in my list, but actually it is related, these contacts are related to these coils. So it will show only the report of this relay coil. So just check what are the differences between these two, that this one is included in my report and this one is not included. Just move to edit component and see its catalog data are inserted, item number is inserted, component descriptions are inserted. So these are just check this one. You can see the catalog data is not included and neither item numbers are included in my list. So I have to go through the catalog data and insert the list of like I want to use that one. To normally open. Actually you have to select all the terms. It will take some time for inserting the catalog data, and in the next item number you can see it automatically use that one, mean that number in my project is not used anywhere else. So it is picking the value which is 4. So it's automatically picking the value 4. So I want to select that option and click OK. The catalog data is inserted. Now I want to insert the item number count. Let's suppose I want to insert the first one value. Its tag number is already fixed and everything is fixed. I want to click OK, and it's now updated. I want to include the bill of material again. All the options I want to I don't want to use these options, so click OK. OK, and insert the time, date, project lines. OK, put on drawing, squeeze the first option, put on drawing. Insert new, I want to insert the report for the first time. Let's see, I want to include it for now. Click OK, and now you can see the CB1 is included now, and PB1 here is also included. So PB1 push button 1 is included and PB6 is also included. So you can see the PB1 is now in my list because I have inserted its catalog data, catalog description data, and tag and item number. So that's why it's included in my list. Now as you can see that these two items are not included in my list. So what I want to do, I will have to move to reports and check for the missing bill of material. It's very difficult actually to see each and every component and go to my list and check its whether it is included or not. So AutoCAD Electrical give another option, which is checking your report missing bill of material. Mean the component that are not in your bill of material, they will be in this list, missing bill of material. I want missing bill of material for my active drawing. I don't want to include these options. Click OK. All the other options are same. Click OK. And sorry, bill of material for active drawing. Click OK. And that's my list of drawing missing bill of material. You can see the discharge 1 is not included in my list, and overload is not included in my list. Its reference numbers, everything is here. You can see, you can also put that on your drawing in the same manner as we have inserted that one. So I want to include that in my drawing, then it will be placed in your drawing. Now what I want to do is I want to update that one also. Actually, I want to update that one. Look, it's catalog data, and I can pick any of the 100 amperes. Click OK. Item number 6, count 1, and description, everything is OK. Click OK. Map symbol to catalog number, OK. All the child components will be updated. You can see all the child components are updated. Now again, I want to insert the component report, bill of material, active drawing, and OK. Now let's see how it will insert it in my. I have to now update the existing drawing. Click OK, and let's see, check whether disconnect 1 is now included in this list. So it will be inserted in that list. So in this way we can update these lists. So if you want to use the same component or same catalog data for let's suppose CR1 and CR2, you have used the same catalog data, then it will be in the same format, like in the same line. Both of these will be included in the same line, just we have seen in our report, in our drawing report at the start of the lecture. So that's the way we can generate our reports. Similarly, we can also generate the bill of material of the project wide. Click OK, and which drawing you want to create the report, you have to select that option, or you can even select all the drawing and your report will be included. The complete report will be included in your drawing. Now move to this option, and let's see what are the differences between these. There will be minor differences, but let's see what are the differences. In this dialog box, change report format. Let's suppose I want to change it in a different format, like I want to insert the item number. That's one item number. Move it upward. Tag number is OK. Quantity is OK. Catalog, manufacturing, description, and source. Yeah, let's see insert these all things in my report. Another option is let's first put in on drawing. Insert new. OK, and insert that in my drawing. You will see there are not much differences in your drawing, like item number is included, tag, quantity, there will be minor differences. Take quantities up. We can even change the format settings of our drawings using the different format options and different settings. Just click again OK, and now there are two other options. I want to add all these in my. I want to print the bill of material. So what will I do? I will do the print option, and now Microsoft print to PDF. I want to print it to PDF. Click OK, and where I want to insert that file, I want to insert it in at my desktop and give it name like Greenwood report. Save that file and close. Move to my file. So that is my report in my PDF format. So you can see we can also extract all the detail, all the report settings, all the component details in a form of report in PDF format. So just like that option, we can also create a drawing report using another option, which is save to file. There are 5 different options, like I want to ASCII report, or I can even generate Excel file of all these components. Let's see how I can generate the Excel file. Click OK and move to my desktop. change its name to Greenwood report, but not in PDF format. Save it at run script, default print script file. Yeah, let's see the different options and move to my Excel file. I want to open the Excel file and see about the report. So that's my report in my Excel file. In the next lecture, we will learn about how we can format the different setup, or we can format our report in different manners, and we can also see how we can audit our electrical circuits and drawing audit.